Hi everyone, today I show you all a important thing. I have a problem in my website and how to fix it. In the bottom of my website, a problem show here, that is a white space in the bottom side. How I can fix it? Let's start. First, inspect this section. Right click on your mouse and then go inspect. After you show this internal code running here, you can select this option, select element, and select here what the issue face here and click it. Then you show this code running here for this section. If I check what the issue face here, and this is site footer section. If I check here and unclick it, what difference can show, and here I see when I unclick this element, then fix my problem. Now I copy this section, then press copy and go to my admin panel of my website, and here I go to appearance, then customize. After show this page, we go additional CSS, and here right click and paste here from inspect code 0 pixel and padding block end 0 pixel. I hope my issue will be solved. And after this change, I go to published this page. It work or not, I go to my inspect section or my page and reload my website. And then you can show my bottom gap will be solved. So if your website show any problem in bottom gap, white gap, you can solve this issue to follow this video and procedure. Thank you.